Hello and welcome to Vendici Properties. Today we would love to introduce you to the team. Our offices are located in Quinta do Lago, just off the 5th roundabout. Come, let's go and meet the team, shall we? We'd like to introduce you to Andrew, our Financial Director, and this is Neil, our Sales Executive.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Vendici.
Welcome to Vendici. Good morning.
Welcome to Vendici Properties. Come on in.
We have Tanya. She is our office manager who controls us all. Over here we have Megan. She does the rental income projections as well as the running costs. James, he's in charge of the property valuations. Our next team members you'll meet, they're from our digital marketing department. This is Sam and Emily.
So as you know, Vendici have two satellite offices. We have Adrian, that's based in Ireland, and we have Maureen, which is based in the UK. Hi guys.
Hi there.
And this is Rebecca, our director.
Hi,